This is a typical square root problem where one number has absolute square root value while other doesn't. So let's see how to solve it. 49 is equal to 7 to power 2. So this can be written as square root 7 to power 2 minus, let's find the factorization of 48, that is 4 multiply 4 multiply 3. So this becomes 4 multiply 4 multiply 3, that is equals to power 2 cancel square root, so this becomes square root 7 minus square root 4 to power 2 multiply 3. As we know that square root a to power 2 multiply b is also equals to a square root b. So this equation becomes square root 7 minus 4 square root 3. Here 7 is also equals to 4 plus 3. So this equation becomes square root 4 plus 3 minus 4 square root 3. After further simplification, this 4 is also equals to 2 to power 2. This equation becomes square root 2 to power 2 plus 3 can also be written as square root 3 to power 2 minus 4 square root 3. Let's assume if a equals to 2 and b equals to square root of 3. So this equation can also be written as square root a square plus b square minus 2a to b. So this is in the form of a minus b2 square. So this equation further simplifies to a minus b2 square. So the square cancel the square root. So equation simplifies to a2 minus b, where a equals to 2 and b equals to square root of 3, which is equals to 2 minus square root of 3. As we know that square root of 3 is 1.732, this becomes 1 minus 1.732, which is further equals to 0.268. So this is the answer for this problem.